You know, we think so we have until about 4 o'clock. What you say? Yeah? So big up the minister inside the place. I heard that the Honorable Mark Golden is inside the building. Big respect. And I want to say much respect to all your people. You're the reason why we're here. Alright? You ready out there? Ready out there? Yeah, step up to the part. Come on now. Step up to the part. I'd like to introduce none other than Miss Nadine Sutherland.